when you wouldn't go out with me.
You said things
that weren't very nice.
My boyfriend's back and there's going to be trouble.
Hey la, my boyfriend's back. You see me coming, better cut out on the double. Hey la, my boyfriend's back.
You'll be spreading lies that I was untrue.
Hey la, my boyfriend's back. Look out now, cause I'm coming after you. Hey la, my boyfriend's back.
Yeah, he knows that you've been trying, and he knows that you've been lying. He's been gone for such a long time.
Hey la, my boyfriend's back. Now I'm back and things are going to be fine. Hey la, my boyfriend's back.
I'm going to be sorry you were born.
Hey la, my boyfriend's back. I'm kind of big and I'm awfully strong. Hey la, my boyfriend's back.
Yeah, he knows that you've been cheating.
No,
you're going to get a beating.
How could you think I'd believe all your lies? I'm a big man now,
but I'll cut you down to size.
Wait and see.
My boyfriend's back, he's going to save my reputation.
Hey la, my boyfriend's back. If I were you, I'd take a permanent vacation. Hey la, my boyfriend's back.
Yeah, I can hear him coming.
No,
you better start running. I can hear him. I can hear him. I can hear him. My boyfriend will be home soon. I think I hear him calling. My boyfriend shall be home soon. And then you will be sorry. I can hear him. I can hear him. I can hear him. I can hear him. My boyfriend's back. Oh, my boyfriend's back.